In 2026, people are making money using AI tools you can learn in a single day. No coding, no experience, just the right tools used the right way. The difference is not access. Everyone has access. The difference is knowing which tools actually make money. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful AI tools beginners are using right now to generate income, and exactly how you can start using them today. Some of these tools can help you start with zero money, while others can scale into real monthly income if used correctly. The key is not using all of them, but using the right one the right way. The first tool is ChatGPT. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money with AI. You can use it to write content for blogs, scripts for YouTube videos, product descriptions, or even client work. Businesses are constantly looking for content, and most of them don't want to write it themselves. You can offer services like content writing, script writing, or even social media posts using ChatGPT. Beginners are charging anywhere from $50 to $300 per project, depending on the work. The key is to combine ChatGPT with platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and start small. The second tool is Canva. This is one of the easiest ways to make money with AI-powered design. You can create social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, business logos, and even digital products. Many small businesses need designs but don't want to hire expensive designers. You can use Canva templates and AI features to create professional designs in minutes. Then sell them on platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, or directly to clients. Some people are making hundreds to thousands of dollars per month just by selling simple designs. The third tool is CapCut or VN Editor. AI-powered video editing is exploding because short-form content is everywhere. Businesses, creators, and influencers constantly need videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. These apps make editing incredibly easy with auto captions, transitions, AI effects, and templates. You can offer short-form editing services to creators or even build your own faceless content channels. Some editors are charging hundreds of dollars per client every month just for editing short videos consistently. And the best part is, you can start learning these tools completely for free. The fourth tool is ElevenLabs. This AI tool can generate realistic voiceovers in seconds. Content creators are using it for YouTube videos, audiobooks, ads, and even faceless content channels. Instead of recording your own voice every time, AI voices can speed up content production massively. Some freelancers are offering voiceover services using AI tools and getting paid for scripts, ads, and narration work. Combined with video editing and script writing, this becomes a powerful business model. And the technology is getting better every single month. The fifth tool is Leonardo AI or Midjourney. These AI tools can generate stunning images, artwork, and designs in seconds. People are using them to create thumbnails, book covers, social media graphics, and even print-on-demand products. Instead of spending hours designing manually, AI can generate multiple ideas instantly. Some creators are selling AI-generated art, while others use it to grow content pages and online businesses. Combined with tools like Canva, this becomes an extremely powerful way to create content fast. And as AI image quality improves, the opportunities keep growing. The sixth tool is Notion AI. This tool helps people organize ideas, automate workflows, and manage content much faster. Freelancers, students, Creators and businesses are using AI productivity tools to save hours every single week. You can use it to plan content, write summaries, organize projects, and even manage client work. The biggest advantage with AI tools is not just making money, it's saving time and increasing output. People who learn automation early will have a massive advantage in the next few years. And in the AI era, speed becomes one of the most valuable skills. The seventh tool is Zapier. This AI automation tool connects apps and automates repetitive tasks without coding. Businesses use automation to save time, reduce manual work, and increase productivity. For example, you can automatically send emails, organize leads, schedule content, and connect multiple apps together. This is where AI starts becoming more than just a tool. It becomes a system that works in the background. People who understand automation can build businesses that scale much faster than traditional workflows. And in the future, automation skills will become incredibly valuable. But here's the important part. You do not need to master all 7 tools at once. Most people fail because they try to learn everything at the same time and end up taking no action. Instead, pick one tool that matches your interest and spend 1 week learning the basics. Start small, create one project, offer one service, upload one video. The people making money with AI are not always the smartest. They are usually the people who start earlier and stay consistent. AI rewards speed, action, and adaptability. And right now, we are still early. AI is not replacing people. It is replacing people who refuse to adapt. The tools are already here. The opportunities are already here. The only question is whether you will take action or keep watching from the sidelines. You do not need to be an expert. You just need to start. One tool. One skill. One decision. This is AI Money Forge, forging wealth with AI. If you want to learn how to build income using AI tools, automation, and faceless content systems, subscribe now because we are just getting started.